¿Cómo te sientes hoy? Shoulder. Okay. Good. Okay. Yeah, also over here a little bit. Okay. So I'm gonna. Okay. Let's do the lumbar spine. That's good.
I got pain like a
shoulder. That's right here.
Yeah, like inside.
Yeah, that's your muscle. So you're gonna see my massage therapist.
Okay.
As soon as we finish, tell her so she can work around here. Come over here. I'm gonna adjust you a little bit. A little bit. Go ahead, lie on your side. So, masajista. Okay. She will massage here. Okay.
Okay.
Did you lift something heavy? No. Yeah. Yeah, that's why. Relax. Relax your shoulder. Okay, so go see Gail for a massage.
Okay.
And then it should be okay, okay? Have a good day.